Hey guys, I'm back with another video. Today, I am going to show you how to make a distance measuring meter by using ultrasonic sensor. As the name implies, the ultrasonic sensor uses ultrasonic waves to measure the distance. It can show the perfect distance in centimeter and display it via the I2C OLED display. It can measure distance up to 3.7 meter under my testing. Let's see. This video is sponsored by Tomson Electronics. They are the best dealers in commercial supplies of electronic components in India with high quality products and a wide variety of category to choose from. To make the HCSR for ultrasonic sensor, we will need Arduino Nano, HCSR for ultrasonic sensor, I2C OLED display, male and female headers, dotted PCB. Refer the schematics before wiring, so it would be more easier. Cut the female headers according to the size of the Arduino Nano to fix the Arduino Nano in the dotted PCB. Then solder the points on the Arduino Nano in the dotted PCB. As you can see, I am using the Arduino Nano for this project to reduce the space. Make a note on connections which needed to be connected before soldering, so it would be much more easier. If you are a beginner in soldering, I would recommend you to use a narrow tip soldering iron rather than a flat tip, because you can get good contact in the tight areas of the PCB since you are a beginner. Fix the ultrasonic sensor to the female header, the I2C OLED display, and finally the Arduino Nano to complete the build. Here I am powering the Arduino Nano by using the programming cable. To make it even more handy and portable, you can use a 9V battery. Connect it to V-in and ground pin of the Arduino. Always double check the wire before and after soldering to make out the project. Open the Arduino code, go to Tools, select the board name, the processor and the COM port. Once it's done, click on Upload. As you can see, you have made your very own ultrasonic distance measuring gadget. The ultrasonic sensor uses ultrasonic waves to measure the distance. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.